this video we will be talking about different options, posts, stats, comments. So to start with, let's begin with the post option. So after you done with the comment changes and publishing, so here in the post section, the all the post that you have published, it will be appear here. So in previous video I have published this post. So here it is appearing. So here you can see there are so many options are given. So here actually you can view, if this is the view option, from here only you can view the post, how the post is look in your website. And here you can, if you want the post is incorrect or you want to delete, from here you can delete this. And here if you let's suppose you have forgot to give any particular tags, so from this option you can apply labels. So it will basically give a label to your post. So, and this is the option for called a revert to draft. So basically when we click in this option, so it will be save in the draft instead of publishing mode. And in the below you can see how many views and how many comments your post got. And okay, so now let's come to the stats section. So if we click here, so here according to date, different dates or time duration, the number of views you are able to see. So currently we just created, that's why we are not able to see that much data, but at least one we received because previously we have shown. Okay, so here if we click in this timestamp, there are so many timestamp is given, like last 12 months, 6 months, 3 months, 30 days, 7 days, 24, and even the option called now. So now if you select on the now, this is the real data only. So here based on the different time duration, you are able to see the at what time duration of the day you got the view. So below here all you can see which in which post you got the views and in which pages you got the views. So if we click on more about this block, here more detailed way you are able to know the this is the view section, and this is the top refers or URLs. Basically it will tell from which sources you are getting the traffic. Is it from the Google or Bing, which search engine you are getting the traffic. And this is the audience option, from which different Chromes or devices you are getting the traffic. And this is the location, from which location you are getting the visitors. So yeah, this is the section is all about. And okay, now the next option is the comments. uh, when somebody make a comment in your content, so in this section you can manage your content, or you can say manage your comments, sorry. So let's suppose I will go to the blog, and here in the below you can see a post a comment. So if I click here, for explaining purpose I'm going to make a comment. So I will comment as dash comment. So there here the different option you can see, select as profile or or you can select Google account. So after giving the comment, simply click on publish. Okay, when we refresh here, so here in this topic we got the comment. So here different options is given. You can delete the comment, you can indicate this as a spam if the comment consists of spam links, or you can also remove the comment. Okay, the next option is earning. So this is the most you can say important part of the blog, because everybody we want to earn online, right? So there is Google also provide an option to link our AdSense account to this blog. So for that, if we click on create AdSense account, so here basically we need to create a profile and give all the bank details. So after submitting uh, the after creating the profile, here from here only we can apply for AdSense. So when we done everything, so our website will be in the review mode. But before applying to any AdSense account, or before applying to AdSense, just make sure your website have the sufficient content, and all the content should be unique, and yeah, its plagiarism should be 100% unique, and at least maybe 30 to 40 contents before applying to AdSense, so it would be easier to get the approval. So yeah, this is all about this four section. In next video we will talk about how to create pages, and yeah, how to apply those in the website. Thank you.